Alright, I've been driving the car for about 25 minutes. Interstate, local, and idle is jumping all over the place. It's about 1200, 1000, then it dips down to 800 and 700 at one point. Here's my temps, oil temps. There. And pressure. Pressure's, you know, kind of fluctuating with the RPMs. It's usually higher than that. It's usually about 25. When it's idling normally, I think it's usually 25. I've got the air conditioner on. Let me turn the air conditioner off. Alright, so better. But it's still doing the same thing. It's just about 400 or 500 RPM higher. Got in a first gear, but I've got the clutch engaged and the brake. Release the brake. I got the handbrake on. Put it in neutral. Still doing the same thing. Rough idle.